How can I remove excess fat from stews or soups without refrigerating? I've read that adding cork, from wine bottles, absorbs the fat. I'm not sure if this works or not. Are there any other ways to remove excess fat without standing there and spooning out or refrigerating and then removing the solidified fat?
If you want to be really lazy about it, just get yourself a fat separator, see link 1. Pour in the soup, the fat will rise to the top, and you can do what you want with it, i.e. dump it. If you're reading this in an emergency, you can do this with just a strainer. You'll get better results if you chill the strainer before each skim, i.e. by rinsing it with very cold water. The fat will tend to congeal on the cold strainer the same way it congeals when it's actually chilled. I've also heard that the fat will cling to certain leafy vegetables, like lettuce. If you have a lettuce head kicking around, try peeling off a leaf and dusting the top of the pan with it. If you pour the liquid into a narrower vessel to settle, the fat layer on top will be thicker and therefore easier to remove with spoon, paper towel, or turkey baster. Something like this thermos, see link 1, or this iced tea jug, see link 2, would work without needing to cool it down too much. It is best done before any thickening with starch flour. Since some spices are oil soluble, you might end up straining out some of the flavor, and need to readjust the spicing slightly.